Here we come to the third elevator at the Museum of Fine Arts Houston at the Law and Beck Building in Houston, Texas. This one is a Schindler. This is actually the Law Building. Wow, look how gigantic the door is. Wow. This is quite a big elevator. Oh, there's that lantern, I just missed it. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is quite an interesting elevator. Found the beat? Wow, look at this. Wow, I've never seen an elevator like this before in its layout. Look how short this travel distance is. Tink. I like these fixtures. They look almost like the design of a Schindler Aurora. We'll go for one ride on this. The button doesn't light up. These doors are wide too. Phone. Look at this. This is definitely interesting. Back up to T will end there. I'll watch the indicator from both sides. You can get the entire thing in the frame. That's a very short travel distance. Alright, here we are. This door is so wide. Very wide doors. Alright, there it goes. And this is where the elevator leads into. I'm gonna ring that bell so I can get it light up. Alright, we're gonna watch it close now. There it goes. And that's it.